Tuesday, October 13th. We got up around 7:30. Keen watches cartoons. I got up out at 8, checked the news, and I got Keen ready for school. Made up Jimmy Dean sausage, egg, and cheese sandwiches for breakfast, and orange juice, and then he started his class, which he's doing now, from 9 to 11:15, and I'll have speech from 11:15 to 11:30. Push up the Halloween decoration so that they wouldn't blow away. Yeah, it's supposed to be like this till like evening. It's supposed to be like 25 to 30 mile per hour winds. You can see it. Crazy days. Check out laundry. Ian's starting his RLC class. We had corn dogs for lunch, and Capri Suns finished his breakfast sandwich. Evening recap for Tuesday. Pretty much had a low-key evening. I still worked on a warehouse. We had Gatorade, and we made pumpkin cinnamon rolls for a break. When I'm done with my update. And we had, what did we have for dinner last night, Kian? What did we have for dinner last night?
Skeleton.
I'm trying to remember. Oh, we had corn dogs for lunch or dinner?
I think dinner.
Oh, we had it for lunch, and then Kian had some leftover orange chicken and rice, which she didn't like. So I wound up eating it, and had pumpkin ravioli. So doing laundry, getting work done. Kian did a great day in school today.
But I accidentally fell. I wasn't really watching.
Well, you shouldn't play on the chair like that. So.
You was eating a skeleton.
So you're eating a skeleton.
No, you was.
Anyways. That was the evening. I wound up binge watching The 100 and catching up with it.
With that? Aww.
Yeah, I think you've been throwing it around a lot. So the windstorms were really valid yesterday. Had to bundle up all the decorations on the patio and close it off. So yeah, that was pretty much it. Good night, Sumas.